Hello and welcome all to the 11th part of Begin Right, a series for parents wherein we discuss parental role in child's education. If your little one is in the age group 0 to 5, this is specially for you. Baby Steps Part 5, Physical and Intellectual Milestones, an attempt to peep into the nature's biological plan. This is a little abstract but a unique thought. Just like every other animal, human being also shows a very standard growth pattern across all geographical, social, economical boundaries. A human baby rolls at the same age, talks at the same age, almost shows the same growth milestones, whether in east or west, whether rich or poor. And this evolution or this pattern of growth has been designed by the nature. It is a biological map of the nature, and nature has meticulously worked on bringing the human child to these patterns after billions of years of work. So just like the standard physical and intellectual growth patterns shown in a human child, will there be a standard pattern for the rest of his life also? And will we get a peep into that pattern by observing the early age pattern of the child? This is an attempt to take that peep and to make a very gross observation and interpretation. Let us take a quick look at the standard physical milestones for a newly born. A child normally rolls around in 3 to 4 months of age, sits in 5 to 6 months of age, starts crawling or hopping on his feet around 6 to 8 months of age, stands up around 8 to 10 months of age. That is when he starts feeding also. Then he starts taking steps, baby steps, 12 to 15 months, and around 1.5 years he is able to walk confidently without support and starts running. These are the standard age norms. If a child does this in this particular age, we call it normal. Along with the physical milestones, we also see typical intellectual milestones in the growth of a child. He starts recognizing his parents anytime between 1 to 4 months, starts with his hand gestures, conveying something, expressing through movements of hands and neck without words, babbling something, meaningless pronunciations. All this happens roughly in 6 to 10 months batch. Around 1 year, 12 months to 15 months, most of the children start talking meaningful small words or sentences. Around 1.5 years to 2 years, their informal study begins, identifying shapes, letters, numbers, pictures, animals. And their performance. अंकल के सामने गाना गाओ, आंटी को स्टोरी बोलो, प्री प्राइमरी, प्राइमरी, presentation on stage, participating in dramas or dance, memorizing verses, all this starts 2 years and ahead. These milestones at these ages, we consider them as normal. All these observations can be interpreted in a very unique way. The child who is doing all his activities, crossing all his milestones just in time or little before it, both physical and intellectual, may turn out to be an all-rounder if he is doing all that in an excellent way or above average efficiency. If he is doing all those things in time but with moderate or low efficiency, then he could turn out to be a normal but balanced child who would have his life equally divided in his physical and intellectual norms or arenas of life. If some child is showing physical growth pattern much before time, but intellectual pattern in time or delayed, maybe he is showing more inclination towards physical activities and he may turn out to be a kinesthetic child. On the other hand, if some child is physically sluggish but intellectually really sharp, like maybe he is not walking or crawling in the standard milestone time, but he is very quick in identifying objects. 8 to 10 months he is being able to talk or identify pictures or complete half lines of poems. His intellectual milestones are on the earlier side. That clearly indicates that his intellectual activities are speeded up and he is inclined more towards intellectual side. He may turn out to be an audiovisual child or a child who is better in academics than in physical activities. Of course, all these interpretations are very, very primitive and on a very gross level. I can compare this with just one flap opened of the gift. If the child is the gift and we are unwrapping the gift, then just like when we open one wrap of the gift, we start guessing what must be there inside the package. So these observations can be compared only to that. But many times our judgments may come true, and therefore it is very important to consciously observe and record these milestones. So whenever needed ahead, they may be used in a more constructive way in giving your child what he has got from within. A child who is inclined towards kinesthetic life need not be pushed in benches, and a child who is inclined towards academic activities need not be pushed for some physical activity. We will discuss in much detail in the coming parts. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video.